There are three ways to create a formatted CV in HRS Connect. Let's firstly pass a CV. So we'll go to our candidates table and we'll create a new record, choosing the CV from our directory that we'd like to pass. So I've got a CV folder here. I'm going to find a candidate. Let's see, we've got Victoria Stathan. Let's insert her CV, obviously choosing that it's a CV and not a cover letter or some other document. And now HRS will pass that data, showing us a list of skills of which we can add additional skills to that list as we desire, and then click continue to complete the record. So in a few seconds we've got a candidate record, the CV information is available for searching, and we have the document as well that's there. We also have a profile that's been summarized by the parsing engine, and we can add, if we wish, any additional information from the drop downs that we have available, from position sort to marketing to availability of the candidate to the potential salary that this candidate might be looking for or is currently on, and also as we can see here, the CV source. So let's add this information. We've got here obviously nationality and other fields, but let's just, for the purposes of this demo, just add the CV source, and we'll choose job site or job serve. You'll also notice that in the info and tags and the job history, we've got a lot of information that's been pre-populated by that parsing engine. So let's choose how we're going to create a formatted CV. First option is to click on the Create Formatted CV, and the pre-populated information will be submitted to the layout, the PDF layout, and all we need to do is edit that information and click Save at the end, and a pretty nicely designed, of course you've designed this yourself, CV will be instantly generated and be populated back into the candidate's record, tagged as CV for emailing. So that's option one. Very quick, instant, your design. Option two, you can open the original document in Word, Microsoft Word, or and you can then edit the information that you see. So, the information that you will be sending to the client. So here you can take out the information you don't want the client to see. You can add your logo, style it a little bit if you wish, and even align the image in the center. And then we can also change the fonts as well. So let's choose a different font. And obviously this information can be supplied or created from a template in Word. We'll then save this document to our desktop. So I'm going to call this Victoria Stathan CV2. So we've done the original one, the PDF, and now we've got a CV2 document on our desktop, which all I now need to do is click on the plus button and bring that particular CV in, and choose other this time rather than CV so it won't pass it, and then we can label it as CV for emailing. So that's two. Now here's the third option, creating a formatted CV. So we can click on the Create a Formatted CV, and we can simply highlight the text that we've got in the predefined PDF section of Connect, and then we can just open up a template that we have in Word and simply paste that information in. So the database has done all the hard work. All you need to do is paste the predefined text into HRS and then tidy it up a little bit. So from here we can maybe clean up some of the information you can see at the top, make it fit into the design, change the font if we desire, shunt things up and down as we wish, and when we're happy with that, all we need to do is save as again. This time we'll save it as Victoria 3, CV3, and we'll save that to a desktop as well. And now we bring that particular CV into HRS as well. So clicking on the plus button will bring this, choose that CV as CV3, and again we'll choose other, and we can label it as we wish. So we now have 3 CVs for emailing. Let's view the last one we created, which was the template in Word, and also the copy and paste, which we predefined after opening up the second version, and finally the original one, which was the PDF that we created with one click from HRS. So that's it.